Hi guys. Lên xe nghe lên là nhà tôi sẽ đang nghe tới high school nga Aaron. Sad sunny weather. Along sa pan mo ite Honolulu, Seattle, Ilo, Texas ma. Kawakwas. Mình ta lên xe đi có tại sao mình ta có cha nó cũng thế. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, I'm right here on top of the water.
Lucky you, today I have decided to take a little tour around this little island next to my place. This little island is infested with those fruit bats. But let's gear it up and head into the water. What's happening? Yo, yo, yo!
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Just like that. Here, here. Hi guys, this is how it's done.
Oh my gosh, guys!
Hi guys, this is the wackiest night in the room.
You!
silent people of Micronesia, young generation, Pacifica, stay strong, know who you are, wherever you are, wherever you go. Brothers and sisters in Iraq, remember, Micronesia, all the way, come back home, we love you.
I'm going away, yeah, and I'll return to you someday. Oh,
How did I know?
I'm going away, yeah, and I'll return to you someday.
Yeah, we know me go long time, me gonna go long time, no Coachella, brother, sister, mama, papa, Dora, son, all the people of Micronesia. Rubis and come up and ribs in the kids, and as someone straight strong. No, I'm at the near number for me, Lily. If I can let me go say, let me sing, come on, ribs in pin, man, stay strong.
I'm going away, yeah, and I'll return to you someday. Good try. I'm going away, yeah, and I'll return to you someday. Oh, my sleeping beauty, don't forget me now. Time will only tell when we'll meet again. Oh, my island beauty, you will always be in my heart. The magic in you will bring out the lover in me.
Look, baby girl, wipe your tears, don't cry. Even me, Rasta man, wanna send this song to you, girl. From many the man represent me, pan good love. All the time, me gon' be lonely, all lonely. Me dream about you all the night. I see me cannot get up, me cannot wake up. Me wanna see your face every time. Me want to see you, girl. Island.
I'm going away, yeah, and I'll return, oh, to you someday. Oh, Kosha, I'm going away, yeah, and
takas ka bumrek.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out the next vlog. Shoots! Before I let you go, folks, let me do some mail time and some goodie checks from some of you, our subscribers, who are sending this stuff for me. Today we got 3 parcels coming from Amazon and 1 from the mail from Narky Chat. Mail time! Whoa. Let's go!
What do we got? What do we got? What is this, money or what?
And looky here, we got an air pump where you can plug it into your inverter from your car and start pumping your car if you have a flat tire. A shout out to you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Again, stay tuned for the next vlog. Oh yeah!